What if I told you that right now, with just one upload and a few simple clicks, you could transform a single hour-long webinar or live stream into a massive stack of ready-to-post, attention-grabbing clips? I'm talking about finished clips complete with perfectly timed captions, varied formats, custom thumbnail suggestions, and even a complete posting plan, all without losing your entire weekend to editing. That sounds like absolute marketing fairy dust, I know, because we've all been promised the magic button before. But I've been deep in the trenches testing the entire content repurposing landscape, and I found a significantly smarter, much less painful way to finally turn long-form content into consistent social traction. I personally tested a handful of those flashy tools that all promise cinematic magic and instant videos right out of the box. And look, some of those tools are genuinely cool and have their place for specific visual needs. I'll give them that. However, most of them completely miss the mark if your real goal is consistently publishing high-performing, viral-style clips from long content with minimal ongoing overhead. So I want to walk you through exactly what I discovered across the board, and then I'll show you the one system that actually works best for creators who need to scale their output. First up in the testing lineup, we hit VAI, where you're immediately greeted with an entire creative playground on the landing page. You'll see text to image, and even an image to video tool that is surprisingly slick for what it does. You can upload a single image, type a short prompt like "the little kitten is cooking," and choose a slow motion or cinematic camera angle. Within moments, you get a clean 5-second MP4 or WebM file delivered right to you. Even the free quality model is actually usable, and yes, it exports completely clean MP4s with absolutely no watermark on them. This is pretty neat technology for generating fun, one-off visuals when you just need a quick piece of AI art or motion. But here's the significant catch with VAI. It is fundamentally built for turning single images into short cinematic videos. It is simply not designed to digest a 40-minute podcast, automatically find the golden moments within it, or batch produce dozens of platform-ready clips efficiently. It's fantastic for quick visuals, but it is absolutely not a content repurposing engine designed for scaling your entire content library. Next up, we looked at AIvideomaker.ai, which presents itself as pure generation power wrapped up in a very simple, no-frills user interface. You can often get unlimited generations without needing any login, and you can secure watermark-free downloads if you navigate the steps correctly. The reality is that this tool can be incredibly finicky, as in many countries you must run a VPN routed to the US just to even get it to load properly. While the free defaults are quite generous, 5 seconds, 480p medium quality, if you want higher fidelity or longer outputs, you are immediately pushed toward the paid tiers. The resulting outputs can sometimes be ultra-realistic, but this tool, like the last one, focuses strictly on generating distinct videos from prompts or images, not on extracting dozens of short moments from a recording. It won't help you organize those extracted moments into an actionable, organized social media posting calendar for the coming week. Then there is One.video, also sometimes called WVideo, which immediately impresses with a super polished look and consistently produces stunning video quality. They actually give free users enough creative runway to generate some truly impressive outputs right away. And they even have a priority credit system that speeds things up if you check in daily. The big downside that stops many creators in their tracks is that all free videos come with a prominent watermark embedded in the final product. You can certainly pay to remove those ugly marks or use acceleration credits, but if your primary goal is consistent multi-platform posting at any kind of scale, that watermark will become annoying extremely fast. Furthermore, their workflow seems more focused on generating one high-end singular creative piece rather than automating bulk clip extraction and content scheduling. Next, we tested Tencent Hunyuan, yes, the powerful Chinese platform, which is honestly absurdly capable once you get past the initial hurdles. Once you manage to switch the interface over to English, it becomes incredibly clear that the underlying technology is completely legitimate and advanced. You get multiple generative models, the ability to use both an image and a reference video, and even sophisticated sound options to incorporate. The results it produces can be cinematic and surprisingly complex, but the overall user experience feels more like a research lab than a tool designed specifically for the average content creator. You are constantly dealing with model choices, reference modes, and you sometimes see identity drift in the generated subjects, meaning you have to manually iterate and babysit every output. It is powerful tech, no doubt, but it is definitely not streamlined for creators who desperately need a fast, repeatable pipeline from raw long-form footage to dozens of short clips. Then there's Robono, which takes an interesting approach by gamifying the entire credit system, giving you daily carrots to work with. They feature an app-focused workflow for both images and video, and their interface cleverly walks you through exactly what the AI is doing step by step, which is great for beginners. They also managed to produce some truly gorgeous visuals that really catch the eye, as their creative engine is clearly very strong. Where Robono ultimately loses you is when you need to quickly transform entire videos into many short pieces and then automatically schedule them across all your various platforms. Its core strength is firmly rooted in creative exploration, not in the necessary but less flashy work of repurpose and syndicate-first production. So, what is the overwhelming pattern we see emerging from all these tools? Many of these great tools excel primarily at generating one single, polished, sometimes highly cinematic video from a simple text or image prompt. Some require you to juggle a VPN, others slap a watermark on the free outputs. and still others force you into a frustrating bunch of manual, repetitive steps just to get one result. Critically, very few are actually built for the core, day-to-day hustle that almost every modern creator faces every single week. That hustle is filming long content, then needing to rapidly churn out short, snackable clips, maintain a strict posting cadence, and keep everything organized across platforms without turning content operations into a whole new full-time job. This brings us to the one tool that finally, genuinely solves the day-to-day problem that creators actually live with. I'm talking about Vizard. Let me be completely honest. You don't need another tool that just makes one slightly better banger video. You need an integrated system that reliably turns one long video into dozens of posts that actually get seen by people. Vizard is specifically engineered for that exact conversion process, operating not as just another isolated generate a video box, but as an end-to-end repurposing workflow. It feels like it was meticulously made for the practical reality of modern content creators, not just for some abstract lab experiment. So let me break down exactly what Vizard accomplishes and why it's a game changer, all without sounding like an over-the-top hype advertisement. First, you simply upload your long video. It could be a full podcast episode, a Twitch stream archive, a recorded lecture, or a sit-down interview. Whatever you have. Vizard's intelligent auto-edit feature immediately scans the entire recording to find the moments that statistically test best, like punchlines, emotional peaks, or high engagement hooks. This selection process is not random at all. It intelligently looks for cues like natural conversational pauses, sudden shifts in excitement, or abrupt topic changes. You then get to review every single suggested clip, and you can quickly tweak the exact start and end points in just seconds if you need a slight adjustment. The tool also lets you instantly change aspect ratios for any platform, whether that's the standard 16:9, vertical 9:16, or square 1:1 format. Simultaneously, it automatically generates both caption text options and several thumbnail suggestions for you to choose from before you even export. Why is this entire sequence so huge for creators? Because the actual need isn't one cinematic visual, it's having a repeatable clip generation engine that legitimately reduces hours of tedious manual editing down into just a few minutes. Instead of manually scrubbing through 2 hours of footage searching for that one great 30-second moment, Vizard presents 30 potential moments to you in under 2 minutes flat. Second, let's talk about the incredible auto-schedule feature, which is where the time savings really compound throughout the week. If you know you want to post 3 times a day for the next 7 days across all your channels, you simply set the frequency and select the clips you personally love. Vizard then intelligently staggers the content out across all your connected platforms, customizing the caption and hashtags for each specific destination automatically. You genuinely do not have to babysit a shared calendar or copy and paste 5 different captions. The entire publishing schedule runs automatically in the background, saving both real-time and precious mental energy. Third, and I think this feature is vastly underrated, is the centralized content calendar that pulls everything together for a clear overview. Everything you've created lives on a single, easy-to-read timeline where you can easily reorder posts, swap out captions, or even replace a clip entirely. You can preview exactly how your week will look on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or whichever platforms you are currently focusing on. This calendar acts as the central nervous system for your entire content strategy, eliminating the need for multiple confusing spreadsheets or randomly scattered files. To put it plainly, the other tools I mentioned are like a creative Swiss Army knife, great for making one impressive single output. Vizard, however, is the complete package. It's the end-to-end production line, and the publishing manager all rolled into one seamless flow. In other words, the others give you the ingredients. Vizard hands you the entire pre-built, ready-to-launch spaceship. Here's what a typical real-life workflow looks like from start to finish when using this system. You upload that 60-minute interview, click the auto-edit button, skim the 30 to 60 suggested clips the AI found, and pick the 10 clips you absolutely love. You let Vizard auto-generate the captions and thumbnails, select a simple posting cadence, and then you simply hit the final schedule button. Then, you walk away from your desk and go do something else, because over the next 10 days, your channels get consistent, polished clips without any further effort from you. You just saved yourself many hours of painful editing, and you doubled down on promoting the exact moments that you already know resonate best with your audience. A few more practical perks that I know creators absolutely care about include supporting multiple output sizes so you don't have to re-edit for every single platform. It also features accurate auto-transcription, so your captions are not only fast, but also fully searchable, which is a huge SEO boost. If you set up a simple brand kit, the tool ensures all exported visuals maintain brand-consistent colors, fonts, and overall aesthetic. Finally, it keeps a complete library of every clip you've ever made, allowing you to easily reuse, remix, or repurpose that content again down the road. When you compare this durability, the same long video becoming dozens of individually optimized posts, to tools that just produce one shiny clip, the value proposition becomes incredibly clear. Look, I personally love a slick AI image generation or a hyper-realistic short clip, and I will absolutely use those other tools when a single standout visual is the only thing I need for the moment. But if you are a creator who is genuinely trying to grow an audience, maintain momentum, and finally stop burning out on constant editing, Vizard is the one system that will actually change your entire workflow. It is practical, it is built for scale, and it is perfectly aligned with the actual real-world rhythm of professional content work. If you are ready to take the leap, start simple by picking just one piece of long content you already own. A single podcast or a recent live stream will work perfectly. Don't overthink the first run. Just run it through Vizard, pick a handful of those great clips, schedule a week's worth of posts, and then just watch how much time you actually save. And if you find that this process is genuinely useful for you, please drop a comment below telling me exactly what type of content you repurposed. Was it interviews, gaming streams, or maybe detailed tutorials? I would genuinely love to read about the specific results you achieve by adopting this new system. Alright, if this specific walkthrough helped you stop drowning in those long videos, hit that like button, share this with a creator friend who needs a break, and subscribe for more practical tools and real-world workflows. This entire content space moves incredibly fast, and knowing which tool actually fits your daily hustle is the real power move in the current landscape. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video with another workflow that saves you time.